Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we got a quick and easy and tasty recipe. It is cabbage with Gadra. My ingredients are, I have quarter of a large cabbage sliced and rinsed out. And here I have 2 cups of frozen Gadra. Usually when in season, I buy them extra and freeze them. I am using half a cup of oil, 1 medium-sized onions I sliced, and 3 tomatoes diced. I'm also using my spices, which are 1 tablespoon of mixed masala, 1 teaspoon of pure chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of dhania jeera powder, and half a teaspoon of hurdee. For the braising, I'm also going to use a piece of cinnamon stick. And thereafter, I'm going to use half a teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic, and 1 teaspoon of rough salt. And then for the braise, I'm going to use some lovely fresh curry leaf. Now we are ready to braise. I've got my stove on moderate heat, and I'm going to put in my half a cup oil to heat up. My oil has heated up, and I'm going to add in my onions. I'm going to allow these onions to fry out. My onions are gone slightly brown. To my onions, I'm going to add in my ginger garlic and my curry leaf. I will give this a few seconds to fry out. And thereafter, I'm going to add in my mustard seed. I'm also going to add in my cinnamon stick and allow it to fry a little. And now I'm going to drop in all my masalas. Now I'm ready to add in my Gadra. I'm adding in my Gadra first because it will take a little longer to cook. I'll give this a good mix. I'm also going to add in my salt. I will allow the Gadra to fry a little, and thereafter I'm going to add in some water. As you can see, my masalas are coated to my Gadra. So I'm adding in a cup of water for this water to help my Gadra to get soft. I will allow this to boil till my Gadra is halfway soft. I added an additional cup of water because my Gadra was still slightly very hard. But now it's halfway through, then break it. To my Gadra, I'm going to add in my cabbage. And I'm also going to add in my tomatoes. I'll give this a nice mix, and thereafter I'm going to lower my heat and allow it to cook on low. My cabbage has been cooking, it's almost halfway through, and now I'm going to give it a good mix. I will allow it to cook till it's done. Now my curry is cooked, and in addition I use 3 cups of water, and my gadra is nice and soft, and the cabbage is done. So this is looking so beautiful. Now we are ready to add in our garnish, which is some fresh dhania. I'm going to switch my stove off now, and I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely and simple veg curry, which is cabbage with gadra. Today I'm going to serve this lovely curry with some nice hot roti. My cabbage was quite large. Although I used a quarter, I will be able to feed 6 to 8 people with this meal. So it's a great budget option. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.